All right, Jim, we just left the shop. Fixing to show you what this wind noise sounds like back here. It's not real loud. Probably your rear passengers would notice. I don't think the front passengers would unless you're up over 80. You can kind of hear it if the radio ain't on. But we noticed it. We want you to know. We would fix it if we could before I brought it. This glass is on back order. Right now we're doing about 65. It's very faint right now. We're going to get it up to 80, 85. We must be going against the wind now because I hear it a little more going this direction. These glasses are glued in, so this happens more than most people think, but they usually catch it either before it leaves the factory or once it gets to our store. But remember, this is without the tape on it. We're gonna tape it here in a minute. Send you another video with the tape on there. You can see the difference. It'll make all the difference in the world. Okay, Jim, there it is. That's what it sounds like. Very faint. If you had the radio on, you wouldn't hear it. But I just wanted you to know we do honest business here at Jim Glover. Talk to you in a bit.